yeah, today we're here to just spread awareness and to support this very apt cause. You know how diabetes can affect your eyes, and some of us are not even aware what is happening within our body, what it can do to us, and how it can affect our lifestyle, our livelihood, our families. I think first and foremost is all of us by nature. Like I'm talking as a pure citizen just going by his work. Like we only react when a knee jerk, जब आंखें खराब होती है, you know, when you say, oh, only when there's a problem we go to the doctor. I think we're not been taught how to inculcate things, to do regular checkups. Some problems might or might not be there. So I think first and foremost the awareness would be to please encourage people or your kids, your families, your parents, everyone to have regular checkups. You know, and not only go when it's too late, when you really have to. I think go by choice, don't go by force. And secondly, I think the main cause which we're talking today is diabetes. I think is also related to the stress we have today. You know, आज हम सब काम कर रहे हैं. There's a lot of stress. We want to be our best, make millions of dollars and monies and whatever, and we keep pushing ourselves. And I think in that process we abuse our body first. And that's where the fitness aspect comes in, which I really endorse. And I think बहुत ज़रूरी है. Everyone has to incorporate one or any fitness activities. I think you're entitled to take out 15 minutes, half an hour to do anything that makes you happy, to relieve the stress. I think the key to happiness is within your own pockets and not anybody else's. So please remember that. And secondly, yeah, just I think incorporate a healthy lifestyle. The sweetest things can often kill you at times. So be wary. Take it easy when it comes to what you're consuming. Take out some time to help your body recover, help your body relax.
I'm a Kapoor and I love eating. I know all the doctors won't believe me, and so does Dr. Himanshu.
Nobody believes you. Nobody believes you.
You know, he keeps asking me, like, you have become very thin. I said, doctor, I eat everything. I eat chicken biryani. At night, I eat carbs. I do everything. I think the key is to do everything in life in balance. So you can't starve yourself or be on salads and juices and, you know, do anything drastic. Everything in moderation is good. I'm telling you, doctor's going to tell me next time I see him that you are just saying this and you don't eat anything. But it's a fact. And I enjoy myself. I enjoy my food. But I do it in a good balance. So I think that's what's important in life, is to enjoy yourself, not take so much stress, and take it easy. You know, eat, but do it in the right way. And of course, have regular health checkups and definitely take care of your diabetes and your eyes. Thanks.